Chiropractic. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm with a patient, Dominique. She is just coming up to finishing her corrective care. Dominique recently just graduated from DePaul as a teacher, and so she's looking to find a job here as we kind of go into the fall. A little bit about Dominique: she's been sitting repetitively with school, consistently teaching, as well as she is tutoring and teaching kids throughout her summer. Dominique came in with some lower back pain, some hip pain. She's been an athlete her entire life. So we'll kind of let Dominique explain a little bit about what's going on as far as what we do as far as treatment with our stretches, our decompression machine, and let her tell you a little bit about her experience here. So Dom, if you want to go ahead and just tell the viewers a little bit about yourself.
So I've been coming here for a few months now, and it's definitely been helpful. My adjustments and all my therapies and stretching have definitely been helping. I've been seeing a lot of improvement. Some of the movements that I couldn't do before with my hips, I can do now. So definitely
awesome.
A lot of help.
So we're going to go through her typical workup, as well as we're going to adjust her knees and her shoulders, elbows and wrists, kind of go from there. If you guys have any comments or questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below and hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys soon. Okay, so Dom, I'm going to have you go ahead and lay your chest down for me. How's your comfort level today, Dom?
Pretty good.
Good. Deep breath all the way out. Good. Go ahead and relax these shoulders here. Good. Other side. Awesome. How'd that feel?
Good.
Good. All right, we're gonna have you lay on your right side, face me. Awesome. Other side. Nice and easy. Perfect. Good. 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 Perfect. Good. Good. Awesome. Good, ankles are good here. Awesome. Come on, swing up around. Let's get these shoulders. How your shoulders been feeling?
Pretty good.
Good. Just relax this arm. Perfect, good. Other side. Good, relax. Awesome. Let's get these wrists. Good. Good, just relax, relax, relax. Awesome. Good. Awesome. Let's do this other arm. Good. Relax. Awesome. Good. Good. Awesome. All right, guys, there you have it. Again, Dr. Drew with Hawkeye. Make sure you follow and like us. We look forward to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.